Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use minimum function for your Google Sheet. So I have a sample dump here which has a ID, name, age, city and status. So I'm going to write simple minimum formula here to identify which person has the least age. So as you can see, I have only limited dump where I can easily identify the age which has a which person has a minimum age. But when you have a larger dump, it will be very tough to identify which person has a minimum age. To to identify the which person has a minimum age, I am going to select the entire column, hit enter. As you can see, currently I'm able to see that 25 is the minimum age in this column. So this is how you can find out the minimum age number. Whatever your requirement is, you can definitely find out. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in next video.